Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can add Robinhood to the Authenticator app. So, let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app and tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Then, tap on the three-line menu icon at the top left corner. From this menu, select Security and Privacy. If you don't see it right away, scroll down a bit until you find it and tap on it. After that, you'll see several security options such as Create Passkey, Change Password, and Two-Factor Authentication. Tap on Two-Factor Authentication and then select the Authenticator app option. Next, Robinhood will send a verification code to your registered mobile number. Enter that code in the provided field, and you'll see a new screen with setup instructions. Now, simply copy the key provided by Robinhood by tapping Copy Key. Then, open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. If you don't already have it, download it from the Play Store or App Store and create an account. Once you're in, tap on the plus icon and choose Enter a Setup Key. Enter Robinhood as the account name, paste the key you copied earlier, select the key type time-based or cloud-based, and tap Add. After that, go back to the Robinhood app. You'll now see a 6-digit security code displayed in your Authenticator app. Enter that code into Robinhood to complete the setup. Finally, Robinhood will show you a backup code that you can use if you ever lose access to your device or your Authenticator app. Make sure to copy this code somewhere safe, then tap Continue, and that's it. Your Authenticator app is now successfully linked with your Robinhood account. And that's it. If you found this helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.